welcome to the bonus video. So this isn't a regular video compared to all of my other videos. They're just a standard video. This is just a bonus video for you guys. When I'm doing my anime figurines, you guys don't have to keep going back and forth and trying to find a certain spot in the video in all my other videos. So this is just a dedicated video for so yeah, this is what this video is. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you guys like this little bonus video. Hey guys, it's voiceover me. Go to Google and just type in anime girl eyes decal set and you'll get tons of results. Just pick one and download it. Okay, so now you have your downloaded decal sheet. Now go to canva.com and pick a A4 template. And download your decal sheet and the anime eyes you want for your character. Drag and drop the decal sheet onto the A4 piece of paper, resize it to fit the actual A4 piece of paper, then drag and drop the anime eyes onto the decal sheet. And size the anime eyes to the actual decal sheet. Make a couple copies so just in case you lose some. Now download your A4 piece of paper with your decals just onto your desktop and just print off your decal sheet as a A5 piece of paper in color, and there you go, then you're done. Welcome back. Now, once you get to the point where before you stick them on the face, you need to cover them in nail polish, varnish or resin, and then you put it on the actual figure's face just so it doesn't the printer ink mess up or goes through and ruins the eye. That's how you can make your very own decals if you're terrible at making eyes like I am. Get your piece of paper with the decals and cut the eyes out as close as possible. Then put nail polish or varnish or resin over the eyes, and then wait for them to fully dry. And then you can put them on the face. I don't do these bonus videos very often, so yeah. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy it. I normally upload 3 times a month. You can subscribe if you want to. It's okay if not. All my social medias are down below if you want to follow me on that. And I'll see you guys all in my next video. Bye!